According to World Health Organization in 2018, there is around 1.3 billion people with vision impairment worldwide. Conventional method of navigation is limited, danger and not safe. Nowadays, blind peoples navigate with the utilization of traditional approaches such as guide dogs and white canes. However, blind peoples may still face difficulties in recognizing object and navigation in the new environment. The constraints of detecting object using those tools is relevantly slow, limited in identifying objects correctly, and not safe when comes to identify sharp object. Lack of existing assistive technological tools. There is lack of existing technological tools to help blind peoples to navigate and identify object in new environment. Therefore, there are no warning when comes to identify sharp or other dangerous object that may harm blind people or cause accidents to happen. Lack of assisted voice navigation system. Due to lack of devices and systems to provide voice navigation to identify objects and to navigate, the blind peoples usually will use guide dogs to aid them in movement by navigating around the places to alert them to change direction. However, there is limitation whereby this approach is difficult for blind peoples to understand the complex direction of these dogs, and they are only suitable for about 5 years. Now we introduce a novel solution to the problem, which is the ANID system. The ANID system is built on a Raspberry Pi device. Using the deep learning approach, that is the TensorFlow object detection, object can be detected and recognized. This TensorFlow object detection API can detect multiple objects in a real-time video stream. The object detected by the ANID device is then transmitted as an audio message to the user through the earphones, to allow the user to perceive the information on the object detected. The three main features of ANID system is object detection, voice navigation and warning alert. This project promotes a low-cost, portable, scalable and edge computing solution.
This is the ANID system physical device. The ANID device is mounted on a cap to allow user to detect object in the environment. The ANID device requires a power supply, which is the power bank, and earphones to receive the audio output on the object detected. There are 3 switches in the ANID device. All the switches has the serial label on it, respectively with 1, 2, or 3. Switch 1 will navigate the user to navigation mode. Switch 2 will navigate the user to exploration mode, while the switch 3 will navigate the user to rest mode.
Laptop, keyboard, TV, mouse, cell phone, laptop. Warning, scissors detected. The environment consists of 1 keyboard, 1 scissors.
The rest mode will put the ANID system into rest state, where it waits for the user input to either navigate to navigation mode or exploration mode. The system developer can connect to the ANID system through accessing the access point, that is YSRPi3AP. The system developer can key in the IP address of the ANID system to access the local web page for the system in the web browser. The homepage of the ANID system presents the record of the object detected. Next, the system developer can do filtering in the search box to search for the required result. The system developer can view the execution time for the ANID system to load the TensorFlow object detection function.
The benefits of the ANID system for the blind community is: allow the blinds to have better exploring in the surrounding environment. Notify warning alert to the user to ensure the safety during navigation. Avoid the hanging objects as accurate information on the object detected is provided. Allow the blinds to identify and perceive the accurate information of the object in the environment. ANID system allows the blinds and visually impaired to be able to identify object in the new environment safely and precisely, provide warning if there is harmful object in the surrounding environment and provide voice navigation on the object detected.